So now we're going to take a gander just through notes on media queries here with CSS. And understanding media queries, media type, expression. Media type can be print or screen or print, right? Expressions can be min width, max width. So if we look at that, MDN media queries, and just kind of getting used to reading documentation so that you all know how to go look this stuff up on your own. Because at some point, you'll be out there on your own, right? We have targeting media types. So we have the media print, media screen, comma print, right? So you could specify media types. And then we have media features. So we could specify media features. Hover, that's kind of interesting, right? Like if something hovers, maybe we change that. But we already have that with CSS, with the pseudo class hover, right? So that might be kind of interesting to explore, build it both ways, just look at it. And then this is still media features like max width or color here. Let's see what color is, because I saw Angel using that. For example, this CSS will apply to any device with a color screen. Oh, so your screen is color. Well, all of our screens are color, so that one I don't think we'll ever use. We have speech, speech. So speech only device, changing aspect ratio. And then complex media queries brings those things together. So in our notes, here we had media type and expressions, and I'm just looking to see we have media features, media types, media features, but I don't see the expression. We'll just search for expression here. Is running expressions involving the media feature always false? Just seeing what we have. That's the only use of expressions on the page. So then the and word. An expression is something that evaluates. So 2 plus 2 is an expression that evaluates to 4, right? An expression is something that gets evaluated to something else. And so an expression might be, maybe they're using that to say these are expressions. So that's, there we have that. Media types, media features, complex media queries. And so maybe I built this documentation here off of previous stuff. So some terminology, we'll often talk about breakpoints. Like at what point do I want my code to shift? So you want your code to be able to run well on mobile, and you also want it to be able to run well on desktop. And generally speaking, you want to build mobile first and then add things on. And so you could even specify larger images for desktop. And so let's just take a look at that. And we'll look at doing a breakpoint and building mobile first, and doing a breakpoint, building mobile first, and then also we'll take a look at which one did I thought over here would be, it might be interesting to do hover. So we'll do hover in the next video, and then we'll do, in the video after that, mobile first. So let's do it in that order. Hover first, then mobile first. So next video is hover.